Hi beauties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria. So this video is going to be in 4 sections, and the first section is skincare. Under skincare, you have to cleanse your body. You have to cleanse your body with a bar soap or a body wash, okay? I recommended some bar soap that you can use that's going to help to brighten your skin and bring out your complexion, okay? Check my previous video. I'll have it linked in the description box. So you mean cleansing your body. You have to learn to cleanse your body morning and night. You won't say you want to glow up in 2025 and you're not consistent. You are not doing your skincare routine. You have to first of all know your skin type, okay? That is going to help you to make the right decision on the kind of body soap or face cleanser to use. If you're moving on, still under skincare, you have to learn to moisturize your skin. You need a very good moisturizer that you can apply on your face and on your body, okay? Learn to moisturize your skin very well. We are already in the season of Harmattan, okay? So you have to learn to moisturize your skin very well. You need to glow. And still under moisturizing your skin, you need to learn to apply a body oil. You have to apply a body oil because body oil is going to help to elevate your skin. It's going to make your skin to glow even better, make your skin to pop. So you need to apply a body oil after applying your body lotion or your body cream. Okay. Still under skin, you have to learn to exfoliate. Exfoliation is now the game changer. If you know that you want to glow up, like you want to look fresh, you want to have an even toned skin in this Christmas or in 2025, you need to start exfoliating your skin. There is nothing that you will tell me about exfoliation. See, exfoliation is a game changer. When you start exfoliating your skin will be glowing. It will make your product to work even better. It will make it to pop. It will make it to shine. It will make your skin to be smooth and soft. You have to learn to exfoliate your skin. And when you want to exfoliate your skin, you try and use an exfoliating gloves. Get an exfoliating gloves. If you want to exfoliate your body, you get an exfoliating gloves for your body and also get an exfoliating a body scrub. If you want to exfoliate your face, you get an exfoliating glove for your face. You don't use the exfoliating gloves you use for your body for your face, okay? You need to get 2 pairs of exfoliating gloves, one for your face and one for your body. You want to exfoliate your skin. Oh my God, I don't want to talk again. I don't want to talk too much. It's going to change your skin. It's going to pop your skin. Do this consistently. Trust me, you'll have an even skin tone. Still under skincare, you have to learn to always apply your sunscreen. This is another game changer. This is like your pata of them all. You have to learn to apply sunscreen because sunscreen is going to help to protect your skin from all those sun damage, sunburn. You don't want one side of your skin to be fair while the other side will be black. You want everything to be balanced, to be even scope, to be even toned, and to be popping, right? So you have to learn to always apply your sunscreen. Get a pocket-sized sunscreen that you can just throw into your bag, and wherever you are, you can just easily reapply your sunscreen because even exfoliation and sunscreen, this is what is going to take your skin to the next level. Still under skincare, you have to learn to be consistent. That I say you should do skincare if you want to glow up, you have to learn to be consistent. If you are not consistent with your skincare routine, it is not going to work. It will not work. I'm telling you this for free. It will not work. If you do skincare today, before you do another skincare routine, it will be like after 2 weeks. Before you do another one, it will be like after a month. It is not going to work. You are not going to glow up. You are not going to see the results on your skin, okay? So you have to learn to be consistent. Everything I'm going to share in this video, you have to be doing it consistently. It's not only about the skincare. You have to be doing it consistently. That way, you will see how you glow up. You will see how you will be transformed. Like you'll be walking on the road, people will be staring at you, people will be asking, what is going on here? Who is this? Who is this beauty? Who is this flawless queen? That is what I want for you, okay? So you have to learn to be consistent, okay? So moving on to the second section of this video is hair care. See, whenever you are talking about glow up, it has to be from your hair, from your scalp to your toes. It's all round glow up, okay? There's not only one side. You glow up one side and you leave one side. No, it has to be all round. So when I'm talking about your hair, I mean you need to learn to wash your hair. You will just scratch your hair small and the kind of flaky things that will be falling down from your hair. Please, you want to glow up. You have to learn to wash your hair. Don't take down your braids and you now just tie your hair and leave it like that and said, anytime I have chance, I will wash it. No. When you take off your braids, please just wash your hair. If you don't have the strength to do it, go to the salon immediately. Look for a nearby salon around your area. Just wash your hair. Just wash your hair and do a cornrow. Tell them to do cornrows on your hair. Okay? Cornrow, weave your hair, braid your hair anyhow. Simple style. You don't have to do too much. See, that way it will help you to always look put together, always look beautiful and flawless. You don't want to carry scattered hair and you say that you're in your glow up journey. It will not work now. It can't. You don't want to have flawless, beautiful skin and your hair is looking unkept. Please learn to always wash your hair. Make sure to use dandruff treatment if possible. Get dandruff treatment. There are some shampoos that comes with that is 2-in-1. It contains some ingredients that can help to treat dandruff. You can get those kind of shampoos, those kind of conditioner, and use it to wash your hair. For me, I have these are the shampoo that I use. This tea tree moisturizing shampoo. I just recently got this one, so I've used it once and I love how it smells. And this is the conditioner. It's the same tea tree conditioner, and I got this for 1.5 each, making it 3,000. So it's not even expensive. You want your hair to be looking unkept or looking dirty or looking somehow, please wash your hair. Wash your hair. So the third section is about nutrition and fitness. Oh my God, you see fitness parts. Before now, I don't used to exercise. I don't like exercising at all. I'll just do simple exercise and massage, and that is it. See, let me tell you, what exercise will do to your skin, it will do to your body, it will do to your overall health. You can't even imagine it. Don't skip exercise, even if it's once a week, even if it's 2 times a week, please. Always try to exercise. You can do walking, you can do even dancing. You start exercising to make you feel like you want to fly. Your body will so free, your body will be so free, so light. See, don't sleep on exercise. Try as much as possible to move your body. You are a stay-at-home mom, you are a housewife, you are a single girl. Please move your body. Move your body. Add on to nutrition. This is another thing that has been helping. Please learn to eat healthy. Reduce your intake of processed food. Processed food, too much of junk, it tells on your skin. It's going to make your skin to look dull. It's going to see whatever you put inside of your body is going to come out. Whatever you put inside of your body, that's what they're going to seal. Learn to eat healthy. Learn to take a lot of water. Learn to take a lot of fruits and vegetables. Learn to eat under section 3. I'll also advise that you learn to manage your stress, because too much of stress can also cause a lot of issues on your skin. It can make you to break out. There's a way you will stress yourself a whole day. You will not even have the strength to even wash your face. Talk less of exfoliating or doing other skincare routine. But if you manage stress, you try to balance things, you try to ask for help, trust me, you will have time to do other things. You will have time to do your skincare routine. You have time to take care of yourself. You have to learn to manage stress, please. You have to. And also learn to stay very, very hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Learn to take a lot of water. It's going to help to flush out toxins. It's going to in regulating your blood flow and all of that. So moving on to the last section of this video, which is in section 4, which is about your mind and your soul. Please learn to have a positive mindset. If you are a Christian, pray and tell the Holy Spirit to give you a positive mindset. Okay? The Bible says it is God's will for us to prosper and be in health, even as our soul prospereth. When you have a positive mindset, trust me, 80% of your life is already sorted out. You have to learn to practice self-love. If you want to go out on that solo date, go out on that solo date. If you every month I want to get something for myself, please stick to it and start doing it. Don't allow body shaming, don't allow any negativity, don't allow any toxic relationship. Always learn to be present in the moment. When you are in the right frame of mind, you'll be able to do other things. You're able to You want to eat healthy, you want to do your skincare routine, you want to do other things. But when you are not in the right frame of mind, most of these things you will not want to do it. This should even be the number one. But I still put it here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have more things that you can share, please do well to share in the comment section. I said I've subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate. Please do well to turn on your post. Please do it to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the other videos I'm bringing on this channel. And let me know if you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends and family. I want other stay-at-home moms, wives, single girls, like women in general, to see this video. See you in my next video. For now, bye.